Hey everyone, in this video we'll check Pro Dashboard. Let's start with the video. So after installing the theme, we are here in this dashboard. So in this dashboard, we can see a few things, the details of Themeco and manage license. You can go directly to the website. Then in the update version, which version installed, latest version available to change, and the change log, what kind of change log is there. And also if there any kind of update available, you can check here from here. Then support, you can go directly the docs and the support portal they have. Then the design cloud, you can also launch the design cloud from here because they have themes and interesting things there as well. And you can XCS file that you can import them from here directly. And then they have Max. This is their license, Max license. Under the Max license, there are six things. Six things. We will check out these six things later in this later video. So six things are including plugins, including some functional improvement, including some training materials. And there are some interesting things like Cornerstone Forms. This is very interesting. And AI and Site Drive. These are very interesting tools that makes your development process very interesting and unique in Cornerstone ecosystem. Then there are in extension. Cornerstone supports about like 34 plugins altogether. So here are the plugins and here are the approved plugins. So in here, some are plugins, some are extension of Cornerstone, so that you can smooth scrolling, then snippets, and these are all part of Cornerstone. And some are plugins that are approved by Themeco, which will when they update their theme, they test the theme with those plugins first. So you can in when the theme updates, you can say this plugin supports well with the theme. So that's it with the Pro Dashboard. In next video, we'll talk about more about different things. Thank you.